I'm back, and the meat browned really well, and I taste it. It tastes really good. It's got a great ginger taste to it. That's what we want. So getting back to it, so it's been, today is 5 years since I was working out with my trainers. It's been 5 years. And it's probably been the best 5 years of my life. I've got healthy, you know, it's been great. And my book is about when I first started, you know, it was just really hard for me to really just eat because I was so fat. Plus taking care of men. I ain't doing that no more. So I just take care of myself now. And we got some great juices in that pan to put our veggies in. It's going to be a great stir fry. Always be careful when you cut, because you can cut your fingers, and I've done it enough. Yeah, I realize now that putting myself is more important, and you know, and I don't worry about anything else. And people want to talk crap. I always say talk smack. They can. It's basically on them. It has nothing to do with me. I concentrate on myself, and I'm healthy, and I like my workouts. I have a life, so that's what counts. If I have a life. If I didn't have a life, that'd be a different story. But I have a life now, so that life is important to me. I got a second chance at life. Most people do not. I wanted to do something quick and easy so I can relax tonight. It's been a long couple of days cooking and stuff. And my last move, I bought a house, and the house is paid for, so I don't have a mortgage, and I'm moving into that, and that's the last move I'm doing. That'll take me out in a casket on that house. I moved, probably in 12 years, I've moved about 13 times. That's a lot. The last 5 years, I've moved 6 times. All right, so, ooh. Move everything so I can get just get my floor again. Floor. Okay, that's what the meat looks like. So I got it on low. I have 6 tablespoons of soy sauce that I already put in a bowl. And then, I don't measure, but start with a teaspoon of sea salt. Like I said, I don't measure. I just tarragon. Pepper. and basil, plus our seasoned salt. So let me get here to mix this. All right, then I'm going to use a whisk this together, and we're going to put it in there. We're going to leave it cook. That's what it looks like. It's hard to tell you, but it's like this. Sorry if it doesn't look that good. I'm very tired. Last 2 days of baking and getting these orders out. I'm tired. Okay. So that's what it looks like, and we're going to put it, like the lid on, let it cook. God bless everyone. I'll see you soon. I'll be back with a calorie count and show you what the final outcome is. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon. Bye.